To solve an equation with fractions, the first thing you often want to do is clear the fractions by multiplying both sides by the common denominator. In this equation, the common denominator of all the fractions is 8, and to clear the fractions, the first thing I'll do is I'll group both sides of my equation and then show the multiplication by 8. On the left-hand side, 4 will go into 8 evenly, it goes in twice, and then that 2 gets distributed to both terms of the numerator. I'll have 2 times z, and then negative 7 times 2 is minus 14. On the right-hand side, I'm going to be a little more careful, and I will show 2 steps. First thing I want to do is multiply the first term by 8. I'll have 8 times the fraction, 6z minus 1, all over 8, and then negative 2 times 8, minus 2 times 8. Just like before, the denominator is going to go into my 8 evenly. 8 goes into 8 once. 1 times 6z minus 1 is 6z minus 1. And then negative 2 times 8 is minus 16. Left-hand side is still 2z minus 14. Combining like terms on the right-hand side, I'll have 2z minus 14 is equal to 6z negative 1 minus 16 is minus 17. And then from here, I want to get all of my variable terms on one side. Since 6 is more than 2, I'll send 2z to the right by subtracting 2z from both sides. And at the same time, I want to move my constant terms to the left. So negative 17 will come back to the left. To do that, I will add 17 to both sides. 2z minus 2z is 0. I'll end up with a 3 on the right. 6z minus 2z is 4z. The 17's cancel. And then on my last step, I'll divide both sides by 4, and I'll get z is equal to 3/4.